Hey guys, Selfman here, always here to help you, not me. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane with just one piece of paper. And I know you're thinking, wow, a paper airplane, who doesn't know how to make one? And I'm not saying that people who don't are idiots, but, so, get a piece of paper. Hold on, I'll show you in a second. Fold it in half. Like this, the long way. I'm not sure if this is hamburger or hot dog, but I'm pretty sure it's hot dog. Dog it out, diggity dog. Crap. Alright, so as you can see, I fold it in half. Make sure it's a good crease. Open it up. And fold in the flaps like this. Now fold it back in half. Make another nice solid crease. So now you need to have something like this. Alright, so when you're done, it needs to look something like this. Doesn't fly that good, but it still flies. So, I'm gonna get my camera out and show you guys how far this flies, so I'll see you in a second. Peace.